Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at cutting your designs in tiles under the cut settings. But before that, let's just have a quick intro here. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And we also upload daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the cut settings. And I will put links in the description to the relevant videos. Now, we've already set up our tiles under the effects, and I will also put a link to that video. We will not be covering that in this video. Otherwise, to locate your cutter, we'll be going here to cutter, click on that little icon. Wait for the options to appear, and then we've covered most of these settings, so we'll be just navigating here in this video to tiles on the top right. So under your tabs, it will be the fourth one. Then you want to make sure this cut tiles box is selected. I think by default it's not selected, so you won't have any options here, so just click that on. And then on the right here, we can say edit tiles. If you click that, it's quite handy. You can go back to your tiles editor and readjust these tiles. Now, I covered in that video, and the video we did for that, why we be using tiles. So I won't be covering in depth here, but just a quick overview. It is, let's say you printing or making a vinyl of this design, and you're sticking it over a large window, but the design is way bigger than your cutter can handle. And then what you'll do is you'll cut your design into tiles and print each tile, and afterwards stick all of them together. So then otherwise, if we go here to the actual layers here on the left, we can see if we have a layer selected, it will be highlighted in green. You can also see the dimensions of each layer underneath it, size, and you can see they're all the same. And like the cut by color, we can click this little blade and hide. If we, let's say, only want to cut the middle layer, and you can just hide that if you wanted to do that. You can also click and drag a layer and move it to rearrange the cutting order, but in my case I will leave it as default. Then at the bottom here, we've got the check and uncheck all. So if we click that, we can quickly uncheck all of them or quickly check all of them. So if you're working with many tiles, then once you are happy, you can also click on the little boxes to uncheck them. I just learned it, so I don't know. In any case, so with everything selected, we can click cut, and then this could take quite a while to load depending on the size of your design. And then once it is started here, then on top here under kind of like the description, we can see we're going to be cutting 1 out of 3, and we're using it's kind of like a default tile in that. Then we've got under settings the presets. So if you set up any custom presets, you can load it here from the drop down menu. And then you can also get to your multi-cut here. So if you're using material that is thicker than normal and one cut doesn't go right through it, then you can set up how many times you must cut that design before moving on. Then you can set the speed, but in general I will leave this just default. And under here we've got skip job, so you can kind of skip a layer. If you didn't hide it, that you don't want to cut it, you can just say skip it if you want to do it at another time. Stop will abort the whole session, so then you'll have to go back to the cutting section if you want to actually cut. And then if we click cut here, then it will cut that shape, and then with every new tile it will bring you this option again, so you can again skip or so forth if you wish. Otherwise, that is it on cutting tiles. So if we head here to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, under softwaretraining.co.za, this video and more like it, like I mentioned, is available, and we do cover a variety of different softwares. You can also isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific. or if you don't find what you're looking for, just go, yeah, request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.